You know, we've been spending weeks making these beauties for Mechman. Actually, I'm not making them. I'm just etching onto them, making them look a little bit better. But as good as these things look, I got something else I really want to show you guys. Something that was definitely worthy of a YouTube video. Something I've never really seen before. If there is one out there, that's cool. I just haven't seen one before. We're about ready to etch onto a Mechman alternator, an all copper one. Copper. All right, so we got boxes of stuff. We've just been working on this all week. Pulleys, everything else. It's about our third run, having a good time, but these things showed up. Look at this, 2 of them. Now, you know, the first thing I did when these things showed up is I ripped them open and took a look at them. I couldn't wait to get my hands on them so I could get them etched and get them looking good for Mechman. Right now they don't have nothing on them, but the problem is that they're already built. If you look at these housings right here, they get sent to me like this, and I throw the logo on them and it's all good, it looks great. But if it's already built, I don't have a way to get the laser on them. So lucky for me, Matt from Mechman, the main man, Mechman himself, was in town. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the pulley right off this thing. We're gonna etch into it, and I'm gonna show you guys what the first copper alternator that I've ever seen looks like. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, nice of you to show up, man. Hey, I can't believe you're in Northern California. You just happen to be here when I need you to be here.
Yeah,
so,
this is my hometown.
It's probably really easy to pull an alternator apart, isn't it?
Yeah, do it right now.
All right, well, we're gonna do it right now. I don't really pull them apart. I just buy them and they don't break, so I don't have no reason to pull them apart, to be honest. So, all right, let's go get some tools. All right, you sent me this alternator, and I thought it was gonna be a housing, no problem, but it needs to be pulled apart, so thank you for showing that. Look at this thing, though. Copper. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh, it's already got the new pulley on it. Yep, etched over here at our shop.
SMD right there.
Let's take this outside and look at it in the sun. This is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. With your grubby hands, we're gonna have to polish that thing up before it goes.
I wash them frequently. Yeah, copper. Copper doesn't like acid from your hands for sure.
No. Look at this thing. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do some handprint wiping after this is over with, but look at that thing, man. What made you decide to do a copper alternator? Damn it, that thing just almost blinded me just now.
I just thought it'd be something different, kind of cool. We got a lot of rat rod customers too that want them to be patinaed. So we're actually going to do a salt spray video where we intentionally corrode it to where it gets green and blue. A lot of rat rod guys.
I wanted this thing to patina out though, man.
You're going to have to rub on it.
Never seen one, have you? You've seen one before?
Me? Copper alternator?
Yeah.
I never have, no.
Yeah.
To my knowledge, it's the first one.
To my knowledge too. All right, man, well, let's pop this thing apart and let's get some etching on it. It's going to be a little bit of a process to do so though.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yep, cool. So we got 2 of them. What's the amperage on these things? I didn't even look.
These, they're rated at 370. I think we always provide a tag. So like this one made 378. The other one made 377.
Nice. You don't mind if I film the innards, do you?
Foam it up. It's a good rectifier. 80 amp diodes, 12 of them. About as beefy as you can pretty much make it.
It's so beautiful. Alright, so all I really need from you is this front casing, just like those over there. And I'm going to blast it with some stuff called Surmark. I don't know if you ever heard of Surmark before. Really got those off of there. Let me see those things. Alright, so this is where we're going to spray on them right here. It's like $100 a can. This stuff's no joke though. Alright, set those things down right there. Sorry about your copper alternators that I just rattle canned. I don't even think he knows that I rattle canned them yet. I'm just gonna let that dry for about 5 minutes. Bring it over to the laser and we'll hit it. And it's go time. I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking that copper backside with the anodized front might look sexy as well. Try that out. Alright. Just to be safe, gonna make sure I'm lined up. Alright, we'll have to come back to this in about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Alright, you want to do the honors? Grab that thing out of there. Pop it right out. Let's take it over to the sink. You're going to love this. It's going to be kind of cool if it stays. Go over here to the sink. Alright, so just go ahead and turn the water on and rub off that stuff with your thumb. Should just melt right off of there. Oh, look at that.
That's dope.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
I do, you like it. Did we get a good bond on the lettering? Looks like it, huh?
Looks like it.
Fairly good.
Look at that.
Dope. Shall we zap the other one now?
Sure.
Yeah, all right.
Or you can zap it later if you want.
Let's zap it. Let's zap it. Get it done. Hey, you want to do it again? Rinse this one off? Alright. It's all yours. Number 2. It's like magic. Miss any letters? We're good? They're all there?
Dope.
All right.
Beautiful.
All right. Let me see this, man.
Dope. That's dope.
Come back together just like that. All right, this wasn't a very long video, just a quick little shorty. I want to show everybody what these look like. We got them etched. I'm gonna ship these back to you. Look at that. I can see the logo pretty good. Hey man, you outdid yourself again. Baddest alternators on the planet. Appreciate you coming by.
We do what we can, man.
I'm gonna send these off to you. They're gonna land over at your spot. We got Mechman, www.mechman.com. See you there. All right, thanks for watching. We're out of here. Badass, dude. Hell yeah.